Hello. Thank you all for coming on such short notice. The reason I have asked you all here today is because I have received word from Mark Wiggins that I need to stress to you idiots his free bike maintenance guidelines. This smart man cannot be bothered by people that can't follow these rules. So his guidelines are as follows. 1. Work is done at the mechanic's convenience, not the fucking bike owner's. 2. A six-pack of micro-brew beer is the minimum service charge. Larger jobs may incur more beer fees or even dinner. I shouldn't even need to mention this. 3. If you don't want to forever after to be called a D-bag, then you better hang out in the garage, drink a beer, and chat with the mechanic as he works on your bike. 4. Bikes must be clean. The mechanic reserves the right to turn away any bike for unsatisfactory cleanliness. Seriously. It's called water. Look into it. 5. For Pete's sake, people. No fucking Walmart, Target or KMart bikes. 6. This man does not mean to be a prick. But, if you can't properly describe what's wrong with your bike, then there is nothing fucking wrong with your bike. And lastly, number 7. No rapid rise derailleurs. And now I will take questions. Yeah. That's what I thought. Now, everyone, get out of my house. Cause I'm about to get the party started. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's good to be me.